codeshare customers from Lawn Airlines. This year we're celebrating the 10th anniversary of the One World Alliance, and you can participate in an online contest to win a pair of business class One World Explorer tickets. Visit the One World Alliance website at oneworld.com to enter and win. Be sure you receive the miles you've earned. If you're not an Advantage member, enrollment is fast, easy, and free at AA.com. American Airlines is proud to play a role in the upcoming film Up in the Air. Tune in to Channel 9 on the in-flight audio system for a special sneak preview featuring music from the movie soundtrack. Also be sure to visit AA.com/upintheair for a chance at great prizes. It's always a good idea to keep your seatbelt fastened at all times during the flight, even when the sign is not on. If you plan on taking a nap, make sure your belt is fastened and the buckle is visible. After the fasten seatbelt sign has been turned off, be careful when opening overhead bins, since heavy objects may have shifted during takeoff. You may now use approved electronic devices. You'll find our electronic device policy and other in-flight topics in the back of the American Way magazine in your seat pocket. You may only use your cell phone or other wireless device if the wireless signal is turned off. For our main cabin customers, there are 2 lavatories located behind the last row. First class has one in the very front on the left. We know everyone appreciates clean restrooms in public areas, so we